Hello friends, Sam here. So today what we are going to talk about, we will be talking about one specific issue in Salesforce, developer console not loading. I'm not able to simulate this issue on my machine, but one of my learners, Shweta, is facing this problem. So what problem Shweta is facing? So whenever she tried to open the developer console from Chrome, this is what is appearing on the screen, just loading. She tried with another browser as well, say Firefox. So on Firefox, you can see that the same issue persists. It's saying loading. So that's naturally is not the browser issue. So what's the solution for this? Solution is pretty simple. Suppose Shweta is opening her account and this is her Salesforce account. So what she has to do, whenever she opens the developer console, she has to copy that URL. For example, this is what the URL is which she has to copy. Let me show you. So this URL, whatever is appearing here, she has to copy that and she has to open the new tab and paste that URL in that new tab, and developer console will be open in that new tab. So that just a workaround to overcome the problem. If you have any better workaround, just comment on this video. Thanks for watching this session, friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.